Hello and welcome to the second lesson to speak English. This is a beginner lesson, so I will read slowly and you will repeat after me. So let's start. Hello, my name is Lily. Hello, my name is Lily. I am Lily. What's your name? What's your name? My name is, and you can say your name. I am. What's your name? Do you want to speak English? Do you want to speak English? Do you want to speak English? Yes, I want to learn English. Yes, I want to learn English. Yes, I want to learn English. To speak in English. To speak in English. Can you read English? Can you read English? Can you read English? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I want to speak first. I want to speak first. So, I can speak fast. So, I can speak fast. So, I can speak fast. What do you want to learn? What do you want to learn? What do you like to speak about? What do you like to speak about? So you can speak. So you can speak. Let me speak to a friend. Let me speak to a friend. Are you a beginner? Are you a beginner? Did you learn English before? Did you learn English before? Are you a student? Are you a student? Are you a student? Do you work? Do you work? Are you a mom? Are you a mom? Why do you want to learn English? Why Do you want to learn English? Do you want to travel? Do you want to travel? You can write in the comments your reply if you like, and you can listen and repeat the lesson and speak. If you like this lesson, you can give it a like and join me in the next lesson.